Oh, we don't know, we think we're broken or alone. It's not true. Not for me, not for you.